Okay, now on to simplifying expressions, which is still part of number and algebra, and a little bit like what you've seen previously, which was on numbers and the number system. Simplifying expressions is largely coming from just the normal GCSE. A lot of it is recap, and they're like fundamental skills that you need to have. Okay, so this topic is fundamental and it's recapping a lot of it. And again, it's quite a broad sort of topic, this one. So what I would do, like on the previous part of this playlist, I will just go through the examples in the textbook, and then what I've sort of said on here with this stuff is it's really important that once we've been through the examples, you just practice the questions on exercise 1B, which is page number 5 in the AQA textbook. So just smash out the questions on that, because in my intervention after school, we won't be going through this because, again, one of the reasons is time. And this is all stuff that you do in the standard GCSE, but really just recapping it. It does get a little bit trickier. If you go through the exercises, it gets harder. If you do get stuck, as I've got down there, you can come and see me. Come and see me after school at intervention, or you can comment the question number and I can go through it on a separate video. Okay? But simplifying expressions, this is just all about, so this is the second paragraph here, involving techniques such as collecting like terms. You've been doing this since year 7, removing brackets, factorizing, putting things into brackets, and finding common denominators if you've got things such as fractions. And you're going to see that in the examples here. But again, really the key thing is here, this third line here. Once you've been through the examples with me, just really go through the examples, page 5, exercise 1B. A bit like exercise 1A, you've got to make sure you've got the fundamental skills. Okay, so this kind of stuff, we'll go through each of these one at a time, nailed down, because the questions will get more complex, and these are like core skills within questions. So in the next video, we'll look at example 1, and that's it for an introduction to simplifying expressions. Good stuff.